Hey, here's a chord progression you can add to your toolbox. Check it out. I'm in the key of D. Okay, what am I playing here? All right, I'm starting out with a G triad, and I'm adding the A. You can call it a sus chord, or I'm adding a 9. So that would be the 9, okay? Then I'm going to a G triad, little whammy bar action. Okay, then a G major 7, right? And then I'm playing a G minor 6. Then the first inversion of a D major triad. Because why? I have the 3 on the bottom. Now I'm playing a F minor 6. Then an E minor. Love that chord. Then an A11 chord. A sus chord as well. And then I'm sliding into a 6-9. Okay? Back to my 1. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.